Hi, my friends. My name is Joe Kehrig, and I'd like to invite you to our free 3-hour Blueprint to Success workshop coming to your area. I've been professionally selling real estate for over 40 years. My passion has always been to mentor other real estate professionals to maximize their time and efforts to not only grow their business, but also keep balance in all other areas of their life. I've been there, and I'm still there, in the trenches where you are now. Since 1978, I've professionally marketed and sold $1.5 billion worth of residential real estate. My team members, who I have mentored and taught my Blueprint to Success principles, have gone on to professionally sell billions of dollars more in residential real estate. The Kehrig team, which consisted of myself and my 3 sons, was honored to be the #1 team in the nation in volume twice for Better Homes and Gardens. In 2015, we joined Pacific Union International Real Estate, the #5 real estate company in the nation, before being purchased by Compass in 2018. Since joining Pacific Union in 2015, the Kehrig team has been the #1 team in terms of the number of residential resales, selling over 100 homes per year for over $100 million per year in volume. My passion and core values are to mentor and contribute back to the real estate profession. You can learn from my experiences, both the successes and, more importantly, the failures. You can incorporate the Blueprint to Success principles I have developed to achieve success not only in real estate, but in all areas of your life. My goal is to give you the tools to accomplish everything you desire in your real estate career, but my prayer is to give you back your life while you build your business, because God knows this business can suck the life out of you. The core of the Blueprint to Success principles are the 10 steps of greatness, to design a life instead of just making a living. Let me share them with you. Number 1, plan. Decide what you want in life, why you want it, and who you need to become to achieve it, and then become that person now. If you want more, you need to become more. If you want things to change, you need to change. Number 2, appreciate. Be thankful every day and make gratitude your daily goal. It's about the journey, not the destination. It's hard to have a bad day if you're thankful for what you do have. Number 3, create a morning routine. Win the morning, win the day. The day will run you if you don't run the day. Finish a day on paper before you ever start it. Number 4, prioritize your health. Make your health a priority to create energy in your life. This energy will help you accomplish everything you desire in life. Number 5, learn to fail. Fail forward. A hammer forges steel but breaks glass. In other words, what does not break you will make you stronger. You will learn more from your failures than your successes. Number 6, set goals. Have a Sunday hour of power. Set goals in all areas of your life, not for the accomplishment of them, but what they'll make of you during the journey. Prioritize your goals and then time block your day, your week, your year, and your big 3 goals. Learn to say no. You need to protect your time. Number 7, build your team. Prune your relationships in life and business. Pick your 5 in all areas of your life. You will be the average of the 5 people you associate with in your life. Number 8, design your business systems. Plan your work and work your plan. Use simple daily disciplines to reach your goals and grow your business. Number 9, choose your sources of business. Build multiple sources of business to drive clients into your sphere of influence. And number 10, to piggyback on that, work your sphere of influence. Build your referral-based business and create clients for life. We all have greatness within us. You can have it all. You can have the Blueprint to Success. Please click below to hear from some of my past team members and to sign up for the free Blueprint to Success workshop coming to your area. Your time is a precious commodity. My promise to you is that you will never regret giving me 3 hours of it. Thank you.